Hello and welcome to Home Chef. I'm Khan. Making a delicious sponge cake is fun and enjoyable process. The ingredients we're gonna need to make a yummy sponge cake: are eggs, 4 eggs, beat them well, and then we're gonna pour 70 gram of icing sugar in it. Once we give a good beat, so the air could trap into it, and after that we'll add all purpose flour or plain flour is the same, 200 gram, and give a good mix. And then after that we're gonna add salt. I added 3 grams, but you can add if you like to. If you don't, you can skip it. It's just a bit of taste. And after the baking powder, 10 gram. So at the end we're gonna put melted butter, 70 gram, into our batter and give 3 to 4 minutes good whisk, so everything get incorporated well. So once all the ingredients get incorporated well after beating good 3 to 4 minutes, so then set our dough aside to settle down for good 30 minutes. And after that we're gonna do our cooking process. So we will cook in a tray, like a baking tray, cake tray. Grease it up with a brush, and then we're gonna put our pan first to heat it up a little bit. For first around 3 to 4 minutes, just crank the heat up, and then we're gonna turn the heat to low for good 60 minutes and cover it up, and with the patience just wait to get it cooked. And once it get cooked, it took around 60 minutes, then you can enjoy your yummy sponge cake. And if you like this recipe and my effort, please do consider to subscribe my channel and like and share. Give me thumbs up, that'd be so nice of you. And please do watch until the end so you won't miss any ingredient. And thanks for stopping by, I really appreciate that. And bye for now, and you have a great day and take care of yourself.